Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to be a Roblox creator. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is sign up for Roblox, create an account and then explore the platform. Then the second step is to download and install Roblox Studio and then open Roblox Studio, log in with your Roblox account to access the studio interface. Now the third step is to learn the basics of Roblox Studio, interface overview, use tutorials, and then number 4 is start creating. Choose a template, start with the base plate or one of the game templates available in Roblox Studio to build upon, design your game, script game mechanics, and then number 5 is test your game. Regularly play test your game in Roblox Studio to see how it feels and to troubleshoot any issues. Invite friends, share the game link with friends for additional feedback and testing. Number 6 is publish your game. Save and publish. Once you are satisfied with the game, go to the file menu and select publish as to Roblox as to make it available to the public. Set game settings, adjust settings such as privacy, public or private game, genre and icon in the game setting menu. Promote your game, share on your social media or engage with players. Monetize your game, enable in-game purchase, use Roblox monetization features to earn Robux, the platform's virtual currency through in-game purchases, game pass or advertisements. Join the Roblox developer exchange. Once you have earned Robux, you can exchange it with real currency through DevX program provided you meet the requirements. Continue learning and improving, participate in the community and keep learning. Attend events, Roblox developer events like DevFest or annual Bloxy Awards to network and learn from other developers. And that's basically how to be a Roblox creator. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.